Hi, welcome to Mixed Media Creations with me, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill. Did you know you can follow me on Instagram? www.instagram.com/Creative Katie. I'll be posting all the ICADs there. Subscribe to my channel. Select the option to be notified as soon as another video goes up. Index Card a Day, ICAD 2018. Getting ready.
Hi everybody, Creative Katie here, Karen Burchill, and what you're looking at right now are some of my ICADs, my index card a day from, I think this was challenge 2016. I framed them in this frame. So I'm getting ready to do the 2018 challenge, and in order to get ready, I've, pulled out I've decided on my substrate. I'm continuing to use my old flashcards. I'm going to repurpose those as I have in the past years. I like the shape. I've gone and I've cut the corners and I've given everything a good coat of gesso. What else I've done? I've gone through my stash. I've looked at my stencils, I've looked at my stamps, I've looked at quotes, I have my quote binder, I've got, sentiments on stickers, sentiments that I've created in different ways, and I'll put a link to those videos. I've gone through that. I'm going to go through my magazine pictures and some of the embellishments that I have, because my goal is to use what I have. Make use and honor the resources and the supplies that I have right now. The goal of the index card a day is to create every day, to have fun, to learn, and to get in the habit of creating every day. Every one of these may not be great art. That's fine. But you're going to learn something from every one that you do. And I know for myself, some of them, have been the inspiration, like this one, an inspiration for a canvas that I did. It was like, I like that color combination. I like that quote. I like those colors, what have you. And then I've taken that and turned it into a canvas or a full-size art journal page at a later date. So that's good. Doing the ICADs is a time to play. It's a time to explore, try new techniques. Now to that end, what I've decided to do this year is tie in my index card a day with my Mixed Media Technique Tag series. Now, if you're not familiar with my Technique Tag series, and I'll put a link or an ICAD up above to that playlist, the Mixed Media Technique Tag series, I have about 18 different techniques. Most of those are background techniques that you can use to create wonderful backgrounds. So what I've decided to do this time is with each ICAD, I'm going to use one of those techniques. There will be a link to the video that will give you the full instruction on that technique, because I've used different materials trying to get the same results. And there's a lot of extra information in these technique tag videos. So I want you to know that you can go and use this as a resource. And this is really helpful if you're a beginner or even if you're not. It's a good review of those techniques, and it's like, oh, why haven't I used that one? So I'm going to challenge myself to use different techniques, to feature different mediums and products that I have. I will, instead of just using always acrylic paints, I'm going to use a variety of materials. But for you, if you're following my tutorials, what I want you to do is use your stash as well. I don't want you to feel that you need to go out and buy XYZ. I want you to use what you have. And actually the technique tag videos are really good at showing that you can get a lot of the same techniques and the effects that the techniques get using different materials. So I've gone through my stash, I've collected stuff, I've pulled out little bits and pieces, I've gessoed my cards, and I'm going to actually get started. Now, officially, the Index Card a Day Challenge starts on June 1st, and it runs till the end of July. So it's 61 total days. This year, I am going to tell myself, as I did last year, that I am going to consider it a success if I get 30 of them done, if I get half of them done. I have lots of obligations and lots of things that are going on. I want to continue making other videos and other tutorials, so kind of reaching kind of a middle ground. If I do more, all the better. If I don't, this is what I'm setting out to do. So get yourself into your creative space. Decide on your substrate, index card, flash card, cut pieces of paper from your mixed media pad if that's what you have, or watercolor paper. It doesn't matter. Get them pre-gessoed or ready to go, have them there. The more you can do ahead of time, the less daunting sitting down every day to do an index card is going to become. See you June 1st with the first Index Card a Day video.
So get ready for ICAD 2018. Select what you're going to create on and pre-gesso. Check out the Mixed Media Technique Tag videos. Also check out last year's or the years before the ICAD videos to get ideas. Print out, locate, or create word stickers or quotes to have at the ready. Collect or go through your magazine pictures that you can use as focal points and collage elements. Pull out stamps and stencils that you haven't used in a while. Be sure to use them. ICAD 2018 starts June 1st. See you then.